guys, Retro Tech Ralph here, BBC. Right, I was about to, I was going to show you the what I'd done. I want to show you the power supply is working, and I was going to show you that everything's fine, except just bloody electrocuting myself with one. Problem is, it's my bad arm, and if you know with me history, it's not bloody helping. So I should put it back a fortnight. Right, I'm a little bit worried on here because I figured out that I need a resistor on here. There should have been a resistor wired into this to stop the feedback of these batteries blowing up when you when you have no batteries in. So it kind of wants to recharge them up all the time, so it probably will be advisable in the future to change this for a rechargeable pack. But at present I'm going to leave them in. If it does start to blow them up, melt and whatever, it's out of the way and I will notice anything coming through. So we're going to ignore that for a bit. Right. Power supply that got me. It's this one. So let's get back onto reassembly, shall we? Bloody thing, flipping out. Problem is, I've got a problem with this right arm, with the shoulder, we're having the operation not long since, and it's just shot straight up to my shoulder. Bloody hurt. So, reassembly, that goes under there. Pot for... I'm a little annoyed actually, because I've got 3 packs of these. And I've actually done it right. So hey ho, it's trying to touch up a little bit of the shine off getting these done right at the moment. Me just electrocute myself for no reason. Right, does that actually go underneath there or on top of there? I think that goes on top of there. Oh, come on, Ralph. Right, back end in. No, front end in. What's stuck on here? A bloody bit of power supply. And that doesn't look right at all, does it? Yeah. So underneath, that there, that round and on. That's not going right for a reason, I think. I don't think that's bent back enough. That's what we're aiming for originally. Better. So this goes across on there. I think it goes through there anyway. That was my screwdriver. B. There. That's secured in there. Right, I want the same one in that corner. If I remember, my screws, 3 go underneath. One with a washer. Right, I need to work my screws out. Hold on. Right, screws sorted. Silly arse. Actually, I've not sorted this one properly. The whole bracket goes over both metal bits. Right, I've already secured this in place on the bottom. Not in the bottom. A little bit wider. And that goes round in there. That goes through the whole lot. Onto the keyboard, to the power supply, keyboard to the casing, and done. Right. Yeah. Yep, my arm. So we want black, which for us, this is the best one. 0 voltage. The black one there. Red one above. Power level 5 volt plus. negative, which means obviously black. Red above, black below again. These two. And -5, because it says -5. So, cables out of the way, right. Now, one thing I'm not going to do is I'm not going to screw that into place just yet, because it doesn't fit. Okay, why does that not fit? What's wrong? Why is that not fitting? I don't think the power supply's in properly. Come on, Ralph, what have we done wrong? No. Done. Second BBC master in place, 3 screws underneath it, screw there, done. This one's wiring up, do it backwards to the way 4, so that's just great. -5, +5, negative. +5, -0. I'm not having problems with this one down here. Actually, there's something on there. What is on there? Why have I only just noticed there's something on there? In the contacts. I think maybe it's just something that's fallen over onto the another capacitor resistor or something. Fine. Because that's a little bit tight going onto there. Done. Last case. See if this one fits better. Yeah, that just dropped straight on. Right. Let us find that. Let us find the TV. Because this is going on now. We were on AV2, I think it was. Right, power on. Ah, damn it. Still saying not a language, but everything's on there. Everything works. Done. So apart from the screws and put them back into the bottom of there, still seeing there's a gap here. What have I done wrong? Honestly, what have we done wrong here? Does seem a bit odd that it's just on that side there. I'll be back in a minute. Right, paddy fit over. All fitted, all sorted. So, 2. Now this is the better one, the 2. And everything wise, and the case wise and everything. So that's on, switches down, power on now. Okay, switches up. Working. Still says not a valid language. Everything seems to be. You obviously don't. We can have a shift lock and a cap lock on. Bad command. Let's start searching. Yeah, working. I'm happy with that. Done. All I need to do is figure out that the card which I've got in a tub in here, and to figure out how that works and what to do with it. Then I'm sorted. I'm completely done. So winner. I've got 2 fully functioning BBC Masters. Sweet. Ooh, pop. It's weird how it does that. It goes loud and quiet. No, that's going it wrong. Trying to confuse it, I think. Still saying not a language. Although it is in English. Hello. That's how it boots up. I don't know. And like I said, I've never had one before. But yeah, I'm really happy with these. Done. Sorted. Another project nearing the end of completion. So quite a quick, easy video of that. Just put it back together. So at least I haven't got many parts of this lying around now. I can get these. I'll get one of these at least safely stored away someplace and get this done. I need to test the disk drives and stuff, but I can do that on my own. Unless I didn't need an extra had faith in myself from actually doing the work. So yeah, and that one's plugging in and then figuring out how it works. Lovely. I'm about to do Control Alt Delete then. I don't think there is one. Break into it. It's nice when things work and you finally bring life into it. So anyway, thanks for watching. Job nearly finished. All I do is a little bit of fettling. Like all of the jobs, I think they all need little bits, like the Mega Drive wants... Not Mega Drive. God, I love Mega Drive. The Atari STs wants the Gore-Tex sorting. When the Xbox wants a new hard drive, but wants all the software putting on. Other than that, I think we're nearly done in here. But I do need to start on. That's my next project. The Spectrum. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.